At Red, we reach women at a really pivotal point in their lives where they're figuring out what they want to do next. So we try and give them the tools that will educate them and empower them and inspire them. So we try and connect them with other women. We have lots of networking sessions. We have lots of masterclasses. We have lots of opportunities for them to grow the next part of their lives.
I love that they focus on a huge array of topics, from women in business to well-being and lifestyle, so there's something in there for everyone.
I think the Red Woman is all women. I don't think you can pigeonhole it. I think it's celebrating everyone's individuality and each woman for themselves.
If you had a budget, would you spend it on a marketing company or a PR company?
A lot of marketing now has changed and actually does involve a certain amount of PR.
If you have no training, it's not that it's not a good idea to do it, but the starting point should be research and reading.
But it's really about, reflecting as well all your accomplishments. Like us just even being alive is an accomplishment. Like just praising yourself for what you've accomplished so far, because we all have accomplished something.